This is the second time?
The second time that I'm the president, he's prime minister.
Wow. So how these two big names make difference this
Well,
time?
I'm not such a big name.
Well, you are.
Xanana is, he has a brilliant mind. The situation today is, I wouldn't say more difficult than in the past. It is not. But it requires a prime minister who understands economics.
And do you think you find it in him?
Yeah, I hope so. Economics have to dominate the thinking, the action of every day. And when you look at economics, you have to be super pragmatic. You have to read a lot. You have to listen a lot. You have to follow the news to understand the trends in the region, in the world. Because all of these then reflect on the program you present to the parliament for the next 5 years. You cannot have a dumb person being the prime minister. He don't understand anything about economics. Political tensions in a democracy, normal, day to day. Our main problem in Timor-Leste has to do with, we are full-fledged democracy, but people who join a political party, they don't join because they have a vision for the country, that they want to contribute this way, that way, for the betterment of the country. They join because even if they just get one seat in the parliament, I'm going to be a minister, a secretary of state, and I'm going to have a car, and I'm going to have a police escort, and the security guard will carry my attaché case. These happen in countries that are so undeveloped intellectually, mentally. I'm telling you, till now, I have not received, I received only 2 CVs. To be a driver, you have to show documents. And these people who want to be ministers, they have not presented a CV, a curriculum vitae, that shows the academic qualifications and the professional experience.